In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a travel app with no code in Adalo. We'll start right from the Adalo dashboard and spin up a clean, usable travel app in just a few guided clicks, no coding required. Begin by going to Adalo and opening your workspace so you can see your existing apps. Next to an app name on the dashboard, you'll see a small menu. Click that menu and choose Create New App. This takes you into Adalo's setup flow where you'll define the basics of your new project. You'll first be asked where you want users to access your app. Adalo gives you two choices: mobile, tablet, and desktop or mobile only. The multi-device option is great when you want the same app to work across phones, tablets, and web browsers with responsive screens. Mobile only focuses purely on a phone-first experience. For now, choose mobile, tablet, and desktop so you get the most flexibility, and then click Next to continue. On the template screen, Adalo offers curated starting points. Choose the trips template. This template is ideal for a travel app because it typically includes list and detail screens that make it easy to showcase destinations, itineraries, and save trips right out of the box. With a solid structure in place, you'll spend less time wiring up navigation and more time tailoring content to your audience. After selecting trips, click Next. Now it's time to personalize your project. Type in a clear, memorable app name. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to search, something your users will recognize on their home screen or in their browser. Don't worry if you're not ready to commit, you can rename later. Choose a primary color that represents your brand's personality: calming blues for coastal adventures, energetic oranges for activity-focused travel, or a color that aligns with your logo. Then select a secondary color that complements the primary and provides contrast for buttons, highlights, and accents. Aim for strong readability. A high contrast pairing helps users quickly spot actions and important information. If you're unsure, start with accessible defaults and refine as you see screens come together. When everything looks good, click Create. Adalo will generate your travel app with the Trips template, pre-built screens, and responsive layouts tailored to mobile, tablet, and desktop. From here, you can customize text, replace images with your own destinations, and fine-tune colors and typography to match your brand. This foundation gives you a head start so you can focus on content and user experience rather than setup. That's it. Your no-code travel app is created and ready for customization. In the next phase, you can adjust layouts, connect data, and refine the flow to fit your specific travel use case.